So if you don't buy the penthouse and you get one of the 2-bedroom condos, you still have 2 pools that you can come down and fully enjoy yourself at. So we're at the 2-bedroom 2.5 bath now, and these are going for an asking price of 399,000 USD. Of course, there is an area over here that is yours, but there's no designated walkway, so you'll have to shimmy your way through that pathway to get to this. I would use it as an entertainment space. So for the 2 bedrooms, all of them has this nice window right here that lets in a lot of natural light, and you have the bladed windows. This is where your central air conditioning unit is housed, nice and tucked away. Of course, we have a similar door setup, not as big as the 3-bedroom, but still very much reminiscent. So stepping on into the inside, and inside this space is actually 1,500 square feet, and the outside terrace is 70 square feet. We have the integrated kitchen, again, cut out for your refrigerator. We have the nice white Korean countertop. There is the electric cooktop again. We have lots of cabinet space for you to pack out your things. Of course, the pullout is right here. It's just not fitted up right now. More shelving space, upper shelving space, lower shelving space. You've seen one, you've seen all. But in this particular unit, because it's the end unit, there are windows over the oven and microwave. There is also windows over your double bowl sink. So whilst you're washing your dishes, you can look on the outside, and that lets in a lot more natural light into the space as well. A power outlet right there, recessed lighting just like before, LED recessed lights inside. We have this nice window setup right here, central air conditioning vents. Right here can be used as a breakfast counter. You put some breakfast stools right there. Moving on into the living and dining area, and you walk out. It's a similar look and feel to the 3-bedroom that's upstairs, but you're just closer to the ground. All right, you can still get your nice little ocean view or sea view, no problem. I'll close back that, and back into this corner, and give you guys a tilt from up, down, and there are 2, 4, 6 recessed lights inside this space. Nice porcelain white tiles, like the 3-bedroom. You have the control panel for the central air conditioning unit over here. You have this cutout right here, which is an additional storage space. I guess a broom closet or a linen closet for you. Or if you want to store linen in the laundry area, that would be fine as well. All throughout the house, you see the recessed lighting flowing through. Let's stop tour right here and check out this half bath or powder room. Pretty decent size. Toilet next to the vanity. There's additional storage right there. Pull out drawer. Nice glass pane door. Beautiful, beautiful. Everything is white with this nice wood finish. Step on inside. We have the hot and cold water facility. There goes the mechanism right there. Ventilation. We have all this cupboard space. Same Korean countertop. Upper cupboards or cabinetry, lower cabinetry. And that's your in-unit laundry. Alright? We're going to move into this back room, which is the secondary room. And of course, this is what we're looking at from the outside. You will be putting in your drapes right there, automated of course. What else but the best? We have, again, the tray ceilings, recessed lighting, central air conditioning, lighting switches to control everything over here. A power outlet there, 2 more power outlets over there, and another one right here. You have your built-in closet, again very reminiscent of the ones over by the 3-bedroom. Same modular setup, same cutouts, same everything. And the bathrooms are similar as well. You have the single vanity right there, nice faucet, toilet. Let's see what brand toilet this is. I do not know that brand, Ceramosa, but it is a large toilet, very large toilet for your large number 2s. So yes, we have this nice showering area. Again, it slopes down like I stated before, so the water runs back down that side. It is the Select brand of raindrop showerhead, as is the faucet right there. It is the Select brand as well. So moving on into this nice cutout, this additional storage space right here. You can do with it what you may. And stepping into the primary suite for the 2nd bedroom or the 2-bedroom condos. And of course, you have this nice large glass door that you walk right through to get onto your 70 square feet balcony. Of course, again, this is your vantage point from unit number 5. Stepping on back inside, and we come on to the built-in closet, and this is a really nice built-in closet. Lots of space for him and her. Put all your clothing. Oh. Step back, and we're about to head into the ensuite bath. Cabinetry on both sides, cupboards down there. We have the toilet, we have the glass enclosure shower. Again, slopes down so the water can run out. This is a larger Select raindrop showerhead, and I like these mirrors being right here. Not mirrors, glass windows. I love them, absolutely love them. Absolutely in love with these. You're letting a lot of natural light, you're letting breeze, especially during the summertime, you know, or during the hurricane months when the rain is falling. You can open these up and get some nice sounds coming through into your space. But that's pretty much it. I didn't mention that there are tray ceilings and recessed lighting in the secondary bedroom, but that's customary all throughout this particular property. So yeah, that's been the 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath condo that's here at Paradise Bay. We're going to go outside now and check out the pool area that's here, and then I'll close the video out right there. All right, so AB out. All right, so I'm actually leaving out of number 5 right now, and we're about to go around to where the pool is. So there is a staircase in case you want to take the stairs. This leads down to the ground floor. We're on the 1st floor right now, and then the 2nd floor up here. But there is the elevator right here. That's number 4 as well. That one is also for sale, $399. Have this nice area right here. There is a water tank as well. Reserve water storage. So this is the pathway that leads to the pool area. There's also an additional step area to get upstairs from here. There's a beautiful garden that's all along here, and then you have this nice, beautiful, absolutely beautiful pool that is down here. So if you don't buy the penthouse and you get one of the 2-bedroom condos, you still have 2 pools that you can come down and fully enjoy yourself at. So this is what the backside of this particular building looks like, where number 4, number 5, and number 2 are for sale. Number 2 being the penthouse, and number 4 and number 5 being the 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath condos. I only showed one because they're virtually identical, so I didn't think it was necessary to show both. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this property. There's another building across the way, but all those are already sold out, so it doesn't make sense to look at those at all. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this yet another real estate moments by Boothe video. I thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget that if you want to make a purchase of one of these, the one penthouse that is left here, or one of the 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath properties, you should call Keody Thompson. I'll put her number right here, and I'll also put her Instagram account right here as well, so you can reach out. All right. Also, don't forget to help me to get to my goal of becoming a full-time YouTuber by just hitting that subscribe button down below and pressing the like button, so that the YouTube algorithm will push this video up and a lot more persons will see it and get to watch it and get to love it and just stick around for more real estate moments by Boothe. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and don't feel like I forget that I am going to be leaving you with the quote of the day, the quote of every video. The goal is to live a life on your own terms. The goal is, for me, is to live life on my own terms, and that is why I'm actually doing these property tours, to help you and to also help me. All right, but thank you guys again so much for watching. If you enjoy this property as well, comment down below, tell me what you like, what you love, what you hate. There's not much to hate about this property here, but leave your comments down below and I'll interact with you guys as best as is possible. But I've been babbling on for much too long. AB signing out.